to the world famous Jungle Cruise. My name is Mia. I'm going to be your skipper today on our journey as far as we get. Please remain seated at all times. Everybody push by the boat. Warning winds. Lost on my watch. Keep an eye out on your children. We're about to go through the rainforest. So there's some rain. You will survive. No one's going to melt on my watch. Don't you worry. And here comes our first stage. Your touch with all capitals. All right. Ooh. Will you make it? Will I make it? Will the boat make it? Woo! We all made it. Alright, let's get out of here. Over here on my right is some guy by the name of Indiana Jones and a temple with an eyeball or something like that. Everyone says it's really cool. If you get a chance, go check them out. Now we're entering the alligator sanctuary. But wait a second, that's a croc and that's a tiger in a box. Neither an alligator nor a crocodile. But he's in a box ready to go home with anyone who wants to take him. I hear he's not a creepy eater. He'll eat anything and everything. Oh, look at what we have here, friends. The elephants have made it down to their favorite bathing pool to say hello. Oh, look at how cute. Look at all the babies. Oh, feel free to take as many photos as you like. They all have the cups on. And look at this in that waterfall. Here's that waterfall. You guys are all really good. Good job, baby squirt. This is baby squirt. He wants to be just like this pop. Tell everybody what you got, baby squirt. Good job, buddy. Here's your Papa Squirt. Who does squirt boats for a living? That's his job. Yep. Every day, all day. Not my boat, so he's picky. That's picky. Wow, did you see that explosion? Let's get closer. Looks like the beach is going to get that's all great, capital D all day. And over here on my right is my buddy George. Buddy, did you get your banana? You got to sit there in vertebrae. You're almost there. It looks like they were broken legs. You're almost there. And this is Schweitzer Falls, named after Dr. Albert Falls. And now we're going to go down the Nile, where we will be going for Niles and Niles and Niles. Maybe not. Up here on our left is a giant African elephant, and she's kind of freaking me out. I don't know why she's not saying anything or wiggling her ears. I mean, she's super angry. What would she be angry about? Oh, she's okay, now this makes sense. Oh, okay, that guy's bad. Okay, so we gotta get out of here because we do not want to be between those two bulls. No, we'll be much safer over here in the African belt. And look at all these beautiful animals. Look at those gorgeous giraffes. You pick up those cute little horses with the stripes. And lion in his pride are babysitting that sleepy zebra. They take such good care of it. Isn't that nice? Yeah. Oh, no, not so nice. You can't stay away from those rhinos. OMG. I'm like, what is going on? Oh, looks like he's going to get the point. Again, sorry about that, buddy. Oh dear, we're about to head into the hungry hippo pool. Yep, I get it, hungry hippos. So don't put anything in the water you don't want them to eat. Especially if they can hatch, because they love those things. I don't know why, but they do, and I don't have any more ground days left. Oh my goodness, whoa, I'm going to take you guys away, come here. That guy's sick. Okay, woo! I'm a multitasker. Look at that. Okay, now this is making sense. I didn't want to hurt anybody, but I'm like, where's the rest of that boat? Well, here it is over here. I thought, oh no, the hippos are eating our boat, so it's not going to be good for us. But this is our missing boat from earlier today. We had a late start. This is Mr. Moss's boat. Where did he go? And where did he go? They're not his crew. Nope, not his crew at all. Right. And her best friend Sarah goes, oh, catch these butterflies and stuff, these butterflies and stuff. They like those big bugs. I don't like those big bugs. They're hairy with long legs and really super scary. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, there's why you can get to the reason why you're in my boat right now is to witness the most intense and honest only here at the Devil Cruise Wheels One in the World. The best side of water! Okay, now hearing everyone's praise, and that's the piranha flying. I had heard that these piranhas may be in the area. I was hoping we weren't going to see any. Oh, they did come through here. Look at these bones. They got fine. Ooh, they were hungry. Like, look at those bones right there. Those bones are even bigger. Now I see bubbles. I see bubbles coming towards us, and that's totally cool. These bubbles are regular fish. The piranhas jump out of the water. And what makes them so dangerous, not only do they jump out of the water, they try to jump into your boat. Yeah. So one piranha in a boat, ooh, not pretty at all. So I think we may have gotten lucky because look at poor Mr. Python there. He's all tangled up and twisted. He's been trying to grab one of those piranhas all day. And it has not been able to. I think he'll be okay now. And now we're at the gift shop. Yay! Oh no, it looks like Trader Sam is on a break. And look at what happened. Monkey's gone, bananas. Look at those two fighting over that ugly Christmas sweater. That's pretty nice. Okay, remember Baby Squirt? So this is Baby Squirt's twin sister, Ellie. She gets so excited when she sees you guys, she starts going snot from her nose. That's why we're back here so we'll get snotted on. She's so excited, she's really sweet, but now, okay, my friends, unfortunately, we come to the most treacherous point of our journey. The return to civilization. I apologize. As we approach the dock, everybody make sure your elbows stay in the blue. Woo! Yeah, everybody make sure your elbows, yeah, this dock is no joke. Okay, so that eagle eye slippers that have your feet in the hand. Okay, you guys have been outstanding. Now, I need you all outstanding on that dock right there. Get out. Oh my goodness, I'm so sorry with my fingers. Please get out. If you're on the middle side, you're going to come the line all the way out to the rear. Don't make that rear. If you're over here on the front side, you're going to exit that front door right there. Watch your head and watch your steps. Use the camera. Watch your head, watch your steps.
Alright, Basil. What's that?